Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this LG. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Display. Following that, choose Font under Screen Color and swipe left or right on this font size slider. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, just click on the back button and as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!